Okay, so we're here in Pinyan, taking a little pit stop. Miriam needed to do some pee-pee, and our system's working good. You know, we have the... Hola! Hola! Oh, they're back. Yeah, so we have the fan running while we're parked. I mean, the engine's off, so it's fully. The second battery's fully charged. Got the fan running. We got the refrigerator still going.
Hallelujah!
And it seems to be working well.
This diagram shows our electrical setup.
All right, let me assume my position again. How you doing, Miriam?
To celebrate our 6th wedding anniversary, our van life family took our L300 campervan to Nasugbu, Batangas via Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Hi! What a beautiful area! We're up in the mountains. Stop here?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we're just 23 minutes from our destination. We're probably on the border of the national park now. The what's it called?
Mount Palaypalay or Mount Pico de Loro National Park.
Yeah, so there's monkeys around here. Someone loves monkeys.
Whoa, yeah.
So we're gonna try to find some monkeys, all right, Miriam?
Yeah.
I think we probably have to call them, Miriam.
Sad to say, we did not find any monkeys, but I'm sure there were 3 in the van.
Wow, so this is exciting. I'm pretty sure that's the Pico de Loro. It actually does look like a Pico de Loro, doesn't it? So unfortunately, we won't be climbing it, of course. I don't even know if we'll get close to it, but there it is. It's beautiful.
Touchdown!
We're here.
At Pico de Loro.
Yeah.
So the country club is over here. We have to register first there. And there's going to be a briefing. That's why everybody has to be present.
Aside from your Airbnb booking, you need to have an endorsement from one of the members of the Pico de Loro Club in behalf of your Airbnb host. Which is why we went into the club to meet with the member that was endorsing us, and also to pay the one-time entrance fee for using the facilities.
Those are the pools. And then further along the fountain, that's the lagoon. And further away, going that way, is the sea.
Pico de Loro Beach and Country Club is a sprawling 40-hectare residential resort village located on Hamilo Coast in Nasugbu, Batangas. The 9 residential buildings surround a 4-hectare saltwater lagoon. The Country Club is open for guests and members alike. Sports facilities are available for a fee. Sports shoes are required.
Have arrived here at our condo, and here it is. Wow, this is as good as it gets. Wow, the kitchen has a rice cooker, induction stove, a sink, a microwave, an air fryer. Wow, tea kettle, toaster. What is this? Yeah, and I don't know what that is. What is that? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's got all the makings of a good kitchen. Oh, some stuff there for chopping boards, pans, knives. Yeah, make a good meal, save a few bucks. That's just the underside of the sink. Yeah, whoa, okay, cutleries. You have all the silverware, plates, cups, glasses. Alright. Oh, and more. Oh, wine glasses. Perfecto. Oh, and there's water. Tatay, there's water. Oh, and a refrigerator. Wow, that's a big refrigerator. Yeah, there's drinking water.
Oh, I caught a fish.
Ah. Oh, there's the key. I was wondering where they put the key. The reception said we could find a key here. Thought we were gonna meet someone. Anyway, aloha! Hola, ¿qué tal? Yeah, she's happy. Yeah.
There's all kinds of remotes.
2 beds.
There's actually 3 remotes for his TV.
What is this? King sized? 2 king sized beds. Perfect for an anniversary date. And flat screen TV. Yeah, and look at this. Wow, this is classy. Oh, look. Al fresco dining. Wow. And a spectacular view of the mountains. The mountains of Nasugbu. Wow. Amazing. Oh, and an outdoor sink there. That's so pretty. So for the bathroom, it comes with, of course, a sink, a hairdryer, yeah, nice greenery at the window, a shower stall. Yeah, so pretty basic. You'd probably need to bring your own soap, shampoo, and conditioner because they apparently just ran out. Okay, so it's really good though. There's towels and pillows. Wow. Oh, there's a nice lazy boy here. A lazy boy is a chair, Miriam. It's not an actual boy. She was like, there's a boy here? All right, let's get down to lunch. Yeah, so this is our stash of meats.
That's how we're saving money.
Yeah.
Do our own cooking.
Yeah. Who wants to pay a fortune in a restaurant when you can have good old siomai, hot dogs, and tapa, and nuggets, and whatever else? That's the lagoon, and we are making our way to swimming pools. That's the condominium building at the left where we are staying. Wow, look at the birds!
I know. Whoa.
The sun's still a little intense right now, but we're going to the shaded side.
Want to come to a deep part?
No,
Where's the deep part?
it is a deep part.
Yeah, where's the deep part? You
No.
want to come to the deep part? And she said, yeah, where's the deep part? I had to get my own massage because Miriam wouldn't walk on my back anymore. This is much better.
I like how they have a shallow part where the children can stay at and a deeper part where the bigger ones or the adults can swim, although it's not really that deep, but it makes for a good strategy. Keep the little ones happy.
Okay, sit. Good job. That was great, Miriam. All right, I gotta catch up to my ladies on the bridge. swimming pool's all the way down at that end, so we were just there. Now we're going to the beach, which is down at this end. Wow, those are pretty flowers.
You might also want to challenge yourself by trying to cross this suspension bridge.
Whoa, and there she goes.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore. It's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. We're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Jellyfish!
Beware of jellyfish. Bring a bottle of vinegar just in case of stings. Vinegar neutralizes the venom and the stinging cells that might be embedded in your skin. Washing with salt water also helps, but do not wash with fresh water. Cash is not accepted anywhere except to pay for your one-time entrance fee. If you don't have a credit card and you have to pay for purchases, you have to buy a cash card for 50 pesos and load it with a minimum of 1,000 pesos. Only one cash card is needed per group. You can use the cash card to pay for food, rent beach towels, rent sports equipment, or do water sports activities. The use of the pool lockers is already included in your entrance fee. Food is expensive at the restaurants here. It's highly recommended to bring your own food that you can cook and eat at your condo unit. Just make sure that they are not too strong smelling, such as dried fish, to avoid lingering food smells on the furniture and beddings. Eating outside food in the resort areas is not allowed. There is a glass chapel located in one of the highest points of the resort, and it is dedicated to Saint Therese of the Child Jesus. They hold masses every Sunday and first Friday of the month.
Okay, here's the 6 years. Happy anniversary. Here we are in our formal attire and everything.
Formal. Formal as it gets.
But we're still living the life we want to live. May the world never stop us. Here's to 60 more years, Bing.
Cheers. Yay!
Sending love from the Philippines.